مدارس الطالب الذكي. القرآن حياتنا نحو جيل إسلامي أمثل.
Good evening. How are you, my students? It's my pleasure to welcome my intelligent students to our online course. Our lesson for today is grammar. We should now learn together the past simple of the verb have. First of all, we have the grammatical rules of the simple past of have. Then we have task number 1, page number 64 in our workbook. And then we have a homework to do, task number 2, page number 64. Okay, now let's start. Before to get started, it's good to know that verb have is used to state an ownership or possession. What does mean by ownership or possession? Means that this thing belongs to someone. Yes, and you should remember that the simple past of the verb to have is had. Yes, our lesson for today is the simple past of the verb have. Yes, it's had. Look, here we have 2 examples. Let's read example number 1. Today I have a big car, but before I had a small car. Look at the next or the second part of the sentence. Before I had a small car. But before the sentence is in simple past. So we use had with I. Before I had, not have, should say I had a small car. Look at the next. Today she has 4 kids, but before she had 1 kid. Yes, look at the second part of this sentence. Before she had 1 kid. Look, we use here the verb had. The verb had with she. She had 1 kid. Okay, now with I, she. Okay, now what do you note? Excellent. Look here. Let's read. Our grammatical rule says that with all subject pronouns I, you, they, we, she, he, and it, we use had. Look here, we have 7 subject pronouns. I, you, they, we, she, he, and it should use had. Yes, to understand more, we have examples. Look at the example number 1. I had a kitten. I had a kitten. Now, let's conjugate this sentence with all personal, with all subject pronouns. Yes, I had a kitten with you now. You had a kitten with they. They had a kitten with we. We had a kitten with she. She had a kitten with he. He had a kitten. Now with it. Okay, it had a kitten. Yes, let's move to another example. Now the next. They had laptops. Now let's conjugate the same sentence with all subject pronouns. They had laptops with I now. I had laptop. You had laptop. They. Yes, it's written. They had laptops. We had laptops. She had laptop. He had laptop. It had laptop. Thank you. Now let's move. Yes, she had a flower. Yes, the same now sentence. Let's conjugate the same sentence with all subject pronouns. Okay, let's start with I. Yes, I had a flower. You had a flower. They had a flower. We had a flower. She had a flower. He had a flower and it had a flower. Okay, now what do you notice here? We notice that with all subject pronouns I, you, they, we, she, and he, and it, we use had. Yes, to express what? To express an ownership. This kitten belongs to me. These laptops belong to them. This flower belongs to her. Okay, now, yes, before to get started, it's good to know the three forms of a sentence. Look here, we have the three forms of a sentence. We have interrogative sentence, affirmative sentence, and negative sentence. And it's better to know the meaning of interrogative. Interrogative means when we ask a question. Affirmative means we are confirming that something is true by saying yes, 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 yes. And negative means when we are affirming that something is false by saying no, no, no. Now let's start with interrogative. Yes, don't forget that we are asking a question by starting with did. Did you have a doll? Okay, now. Okay, if we say yes, yes I did, you can say yes I did, or you can say no I did not. Now let's move. Did they have dolls? You can say yes, yes they did, or you can say no, no they did not. Yes, now number 3 with we. Did we have dolls? You can say yes, yes we did, or you can say no, no we did not. Okay, now let's now move to the second with she. Now, did she have a doll? You can say yes, yes she did, or no she did not. Did he have a car? Yes he did, or no he did not. Did it have a long tail? Yes it did, or no it did not. So when we ask a question, you should start with did. Did. Okay, now when you are confirming that something is true, you should start with yes. With all pronouns we use did. Yes, yes I did, they did, we did, she did, he did, and it did. Okay, now when you negate this sentence affirming that this something is false, should say did not, no did not, I did not, they did not, we did not, she did not, he did not, and no it did not. With all pronouns we use did not. Okay, here we have a task. It's the time of practice. Please look here, task number 1. Look and complete the following sentence. Look at the picture. This picture, please open your workbook, page number 64. Look at this picture. Yes, the West family were in a cafe. What did they have? The question is, what did they have? Look here next. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 persons. Yes, are in the picture. And next to the person we have a word. We have a word. This word is not ordered. We have some letters. We should order these letters to make a word. Look at the first word. Can you guess what's the word? Look, I will help you. Yes. Let's start with I. Ice cream. Yes, you are right. So, what did she have? What did mom have? Yes. Okay. Did she have ice cream? Yes, of course, ice cream. Look at this boy. What did they have? The question, what did they have? Okay, now what's the word? Let's start with P sound. Pizza. Yes, you are right. Pizzas. Yes, what did they have? Excellent. They had pizzas. They had pizzas. Look at dad. Okay, can you guess what's the word? Okay, let's start with son. Okay, yes, can you complete the word? Yes, excellent. It's sandwich. Yes, sandwich. Now look at the baby. What did he have? Yes, look at these letters. They are not ordered. Okay, now let's start with law. Yes, can you guess what's the word? Yes, maybe lollipop. Is it lollipop? Yes, thank you. Lollipop. Look at grandmom. Yes, what did she have? Cake? Yes. Is it cake? Okay, yes, cake. And look at these girls. What did they have? Yes, did they have yes, burgers. Thank you, burgers. Look here, task number 1, please. Let's now do task number 1, page 64 in our workbook. Now the question is, you are demanded to complete the sentence. Now the first sentence, it's done for you. Grandma had a cake. Don't forget to use the simple past of the verb have. Okay, can you remind me what's the simple past of the verb have? Yes, thank you. It's had with all personal, with all subject pronouns. Okay, now let's move to the next. Please read the next sentence. The boys. Yes, the boys. Look at these boys. The question, what did they have? Okay, can you give me a sentence? Okay, we should start with the boy. The boys, should we say the boys had or have? Excellent, had. Okay, the boys had what? Pizzas. Thank you, pizzas. Okay, let's do task. Yes. Sentence number 2. The boys had pizzas. Excellent. Now let's move now to number 3. Number 3. Look at mom. What did she have? Yes, we said before ice cream. Yes, ice cream. Okay, now mom is it have or had? Had. Thank you. Had. Mom had ice cream. Let us see our answer. Yes, you are right. Good job. Mom had an ice cream. Should use had. Okay, number 4 now. Sentence number 4. Yes, the girls. Look at the girls. What did they have? The girls have or had? Had. Thank you. Had burgers. Yes, burgers. The girls. Excellent. Yes, our answer is correct. The girls had burgers. Okay, now let's move now to Dad. Look at Dad. What did he have? We said sandwich. Okay, now complete the sentence now. Dad had. Excellent. Had sandwich. Had a sandwich. Dad, yes, Dad has a sandwich. Okay, now let's move to the last sentence. Look at the baby. What did he have? Lollipop. Okay, now the baby had yes, a lollipop. Let's now see our answer together. Excellent. Yes, our answer is correct. The baby had a lollipop. Thank you, my students, for your answers. Okay, now please open your book. Task number 2, page number 64. You have a homework. Please do task number 2, page number 64. Don't forget, please. Goodbye, my students.